Joe to A350, one of our regulars. Good to see you. It says, hi, Sir John. Been a while, just popping in. Was busy with finals. Is it okay to sign a lease on a B1, B2? Well, maybe not. That's an interesting question. So when someone's on a B1, B2 visa, they're saying, I'm coming here for tourist purposes. And if they sign a lease agreement, that means renting a house. That's kind of weird. It's like, well, if you're coming for tourist purposes, why are you signing a lease? So, a typical B1, B2 is for 6 months, and you can stay here for 6 months. So maybe if you sign a 6 month lease, it kind of makes sense. I have a client right now who's had a lease here and just comes and goes for fun. He's a rich guy. And so he wanted a place here because they didn't want to stay at a hotel. That made sense, and they were okay with it. So I can't say 100% what's okay or not. It depends on the facts, but we got to see what's going on. But it's not a typical thing people do, so you have to have an explanation as to why you would go and sign a lease. Now, for example, if you the State Department updated its rules a couple years ago during Trump's time with to me, it's an ignorant rule, but they say that, if you come to the United States on a tourist visa, get married and sign a lease with your spouse, that's the indication that you really intend to stay in the United States and not be a tourist. They consider that fraud. Now, what it sucks is because when we're doing a marriage case, you want to have evidence that you joined financial stuff together. And one of them is having a joint home or a lease agreement. USCIS wants to see that. So we get these joint. So it contradicts each other. They want to see lease agreements at USCIS side, but DOS, Department of State, at the embassies might accuse you of fraud for doing that. It doesn't make any sense. So we really have to look at this on a case-by-case basis to see if it looks good, looks bad, or how that all is. So just keep an eye on that. There's no exact answer. It's really fact-based. We have to see what's going on in your circumstances.
Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.